Hi, my name's Katie with WTI. Have you been looking for a face sunscreen that doesn't make you look super pale, that doesn't feel thick and just gross? Well, you should try out this facial sunscreen by EltaMD. I stumbled across this searching through the internet and had to try it out, and I am in love. I just applied it a few minutes ago, and as you can see, my skin doesn't look greasy. It doesn't look pale from too much zinc oxide in it, and yet I know that it is still protected from the sun. It is SPF 46, but it uses a clear zinc oxide, so you can't even tell that I have it on. And my face is so soft because this also has vitamin B3 to help nourish your skin, to help protect it from things like rosacea, acne, and hyperpigmentation, which hyperpigmentation is something that I really stress about in the summertime because I get dark splotches in random spots around my face, and there's nothing that I can do about them because I wasn't preventing them. Now I can prevent them with this sunscreen with B3 in it before they ever happen. I'm so excited to be confident outside in the sun again and not feel like I have to hide my face from the sun's rays. I love this sunscreen and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.